So, this is Winter Storm Gail. Oh, you can barely see it. I think it's a salt truck. So, under there is a 2016 Grand Cherokee with, I think we're at about 3 feet. And how the heck do we dig out? All right. All right, here we go. Okay, so I've been at it for about an hour and a half, and boy howdy, I mean, I don't even know if I'm close to being done. This is crazy. I mean, as you've seen, it's at minimum in some spots 2 inches above the top here. It's just crazy. It's just taking forever. I'm glad I didn't have to work today. But anyway, you can see here, I don't even know where the road is at this point. I was supposed to put those little stakes in there, but you know, it's kind of like working on that aluminum block bridge, right? Oh, I'll get to it, and then next thing you know. So anyway, there's a car trailer under there. You can barely see the orange. Obviously you saw the Ranger up there. Looks like it's got enough snow on it. Looks like it's a 350. There's a 450 under there. You saw the Cherokee earlier. And I actually just ran out of fuel. I topped that off right before I started. So I think that's pretty good for a tank of fuel. I'm hungry and I need a break, so I'm gonna eat something before I get back at it. But we're getting there. So far it's kicking my butt. But anyway, I'll get back to you after I take a rest and eat. So that's about all I'm going to do for today. I kind of missed the good parts of the video. I'm pooped, but dug the Ranger out. The other two vehicles, they don't have to leave tomorrow, so they'll be fine. We'll get those another day. But we did get this. We can go all the way down. I'm not gonna walk down there, but I mean, I've lived in New York for 2 years now, and this is the biggest storm I've been in. We had a 24-inch storm last year, and I thought that was crazy. So this one was far crazier. But this little machine here never let me down. It's a 32-year-old snowblower, and it just chug-a-lugs. And I mean, MTD kind of has a reputation of being, you know, cheap and not great, but you know what? This thing, I mean, it ate this stuff for breakfast. So something else is this salt spreader. It's made by AgriFab, but I'll pull it out. It's John Deere branded. I got it at work. Duh. Works well. I didn't do a video on it. There's a million of them out there. It works well. Holds 130 pounds. It's pretty sweet. Anyway, so I just laid some of that down. But it's, what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. I started at about 9:45 and took about 45 minutes to take a lunch. So it took about 5 hours, 5-6 hours, which is about what I thought it would take. Like I said, I'm really glad I didn't have to go to work today, because boy howdy, I can't even tell you what time I would have got there. So anyway, that's it for now. So this is the aftermath of Winter Storm Gail, and by my count we got 3 feet, at least where I'm at. Alright, signing off. We'll see you in the next one.